ChatPDF.net AI is one of the latest AI tools that has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick around and I'll break down everything you need to know about ChatPDF.net, including some insights on how it's changing the game. First off, what exactly is ChatPDF.net? It's a cutting-edge AI software that allows you to upload PDFs and then interact with them in a chat-like interface. Instead of manually reading through lengthy documents, ChatPDF lets you ask questions, get summaries, or even have it highlight specific sections for you, all in seconds. This kind of AI-driven tool is a game changer for professionals, students, and anyone who regularly deals with extensive PDF files. Now, why is this software getting so much attention? For starters, it leverages advanced AI to provide highly accurate and context-driven responses based on the contents of your PDFs. This means that ChatPDF isn't just reading the document, it's understanding it, analyzing it, and then responding in a way that's relevant to your queries. If you're in the legal, research, or academic fields, this alone could save you hours of work each week. But here's the real kicker. ChatPDF doesn't just stop at answering questions. It's got a built-in summarization feature that pulls key points out of your documents, saving you from sifting through endless pages. Imagine needing to summarize a 200-page report. With ChatPDF, it's as easy as asking the software to give you a brief overview of the document's most important takeaways. Another reason this software stands out is its accessibility. You can upload any PDF and start interacting with it immediately. No complicated setup or learning curve. Just drag, drop, and start chatting with your document. It's a level of ease that traditional PDF tools simply can't match. As for the AI itself, the software's natural language processing abilities are on point. Whether you're asking for specific information, details about a table, or an entire chapter summary, ChatPDF's responses are both quick and accurate. This is where ChatPDF really shows its strength, not just as a reading tool, but as an AI assistant that enhances your productivity and comprehension. One thing I really appreciate about ChatPDF is its security features. All your data is processed securely, so you don't have to worry about uploading sensitive or confidential information. The platform ensures that your documents are handled with the utmost care, which is especially important for businesses and individuals who deal with proprietary data. Lastly, it's incredibly cost-effective. While it offers a free version to get you started, the paid version opens up even more powerful features. The pricing structure is competitive, and when you consider the time-saving potential this software offers, it's well worth the investment. You can try the software for completely free through the first link in the description below, so there's really no risk in giving it a shot. So, is ChatPDF.net AI the best just-released AI software? It certainly has the potential to be. Its ability to streamline PDF interactions, provide accurate AI-driven responses, and save you countless hours of work makes it a solid contender for anyone looking to enhance their productivity. If you want to dive deeper, I've also included some other recommended AI tools in the description, all of which I've personally tested after trying thousands of AI solutions. Be sure to check them out, and if you're new to AI tools like ChatPDF, this is a great starting point. Let me know in the comments how ChatPDF works for you, or if you find other features you didn't expect.